I am Anil Sonone from SNJ Junior College, Sanjod. Today we start the new chapter, that is the matrices. In the last year we studied already the chapter matrices. Basically we learned about the concepts of matrix, definition of the matrix, then after types of the matrix, the types of the matrix in which row matrix, column matrix, null matrix, singular matrix, non-singular matrix, symmetric matrix, non-symmetric matrix, scalar matrix, square matrix, transpose of the matrix, determinant of the matrix, and so on. And also studied the operation on matrices, that is the addition of the matrices, subtraction of the matrices, multiplication of the matrices. In this chapter we learn the some points. That is the first point, that is the elementary transformation. The concept of the elementary transformation, that is the elementary transformation, that means to transform the elements in row wise or column wise. That is the three operations on column transformation and three operations on row transformation. Next point, that is the inverse of the matrix. To find the inverse of the matrix, first by method of the adjoint method and second by elementary transformation to find inverse. By elementary transformation, that is the row transformation or column transformation. Third topic, that is the application of the matrices. Application of the matrices, that means we have to find the solution of the system of linear equation. There are two methods to finding the solution of the system of the linear equations. First method, that is the method of inversion and method of reduction. In shortly, in the method of inversion represents to find the inverse of the given matrix, and method of the reduction मध्ये reduce using the row transformation to reduce the matrix. ओके, म्हणजे हे पॉइंट्स आपल्याला एवढे या चॅप्टर मध्ये शिकायचे आहेत. त्याच्यातला आपला पहिला पॉइंट आपण घेणार आहोत एलिमेंटरी ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन. In elementary transformation, the first operation, the elementary transformation मध्ये तीन ऑपरेशन्स आहेत, रो चे असणारे आणि तीन असणारे कॉलम चे, म्हणजे एकूण ऑपरेशन्स असणारे 6 ऑपरेशन, due to 3 due to row and 3 due to column operations. Okay, the first operation in the elementary transformation, interchange of any two rows or any two columns. Okay, for suppose ith row interchange ith row and jth column. Okay, therefore for example suppose A is equals to the matrix 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, these matrix first row, that is elements contains 1 2 and second row elements contain 3 and 4. Okay, therefore interchange r1 into r2 or r2 into r1, then replace by here perform r1 interchange r2. Obviously r2 convert into the r1. Okay, therefore this matrix becomes A equivalence to the matrix. काय नाही सांगा, r1 replaced by r2, interchange row or interchange the columns. इथे आपण ऑपरेशन कसं घेतोय, r1 interchange into r2. Therefore this r1 first row replaced by r2, obviously that is the 3 4, obviously these r2 convert into the r1, that is the 1 and 2. Okay, observe here A equal to the matrix 1 2 3 and 4. Therefore this is the this matrix is A, that is the original matrix, and the new matrix becomes A equivalence to 3 4 1 and 2. ऑपरेशन झाल्यानंतर हा मॅट्रिक्स सेम A नसणार आहे, तो काय असणार आहे, A इक्विव्हॅलंट असेल. म्हणून आपण इथं इक्वलच्या ऐवजी हा इक्विव्हॅलंटचा काय करतोय, symbolize करतोय. Therefore these new matrix and these original matrix are different. These are to the equivalent but not इक्वल मॅट्रिसेस. ओके, देअरफॉर मग आपल्याला जर ऑपरेशन डिनोट करायचं असेल इंटरचेंजचं, सपोज मी R1 इंटरचेंज करतोय, R1 इंटरचेंज R2, तर आपण हा टू साइडेड एरोचा सिम्बॉल यूज करायचा आहे इंटरचेंज साठी. मग आता हे ऑपरेशन झालं आपण रो साठी. देन आफ्टर कॉलम साठी असेल, सपोज that here this first column that is the C1 and this is the C2. Therefore C1 contains the elements 1 3 and C2 contains here 2 and 4. Therefore A equivalence to, आता इथे आपण ऑपरेशन पहिल्यांदा परफॉर्म करूया. सपोज मला C2 चेंज करायचा असेल C1 मध्ये, then C2 परफॉर्म C2 इंटरचेंज किंवा आपण असं लिहू शकतो C2 परफॉर्म C2 interchange C1. Okay, therefore this matrix A equivalence to these C2 contains 2 and 4 replaced by C1 and C1 replaced by C2. Therefore this is the C2 च्या ठिकाणी लिहिणार 1 and 3 आणि C1 मी रिप्लेस करणार 2 and 4 here. Therefore the new matrix becomes that is the 2 4 2 1 4 and 3. Okay, that is the column transformation आपण या पद्धतीने घेऊ शकतो. That is the first operation. Then second operation, that is the multiplication of the elements of any row or any column by a non-zero scalar. Multiplication of the elements of any row. Suppose that the example is A is equals to the matrix 1 2 3 minus 1 4 5 and next is 7 4 again and 1. This is the matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, for example here that is the first row, when R1 contains the elements 1 2 3. This is the second row, that is the R2 contains minus 1 4 5 and R3 contains here 7 4 1, that is the third row. Okay, therefore आपल्याला ऑपरेशन काय, मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ एनी रो, that is multiply by any scalar by R1 R2 and R3. पण त्याच्यातल्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंट्स त्या स्केलरने काय करायचं, आपल्याला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. स्केलर इज सपोज डिनोटेड बाय हियर द k and suppose that scalar is equals to 2, k is equals to 2, scalar k is equals to 2. Therefore मग इथं ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म करतो मी, R1 परफॉर्म 2 times R2, sorry R2 perform 2 times R2 म्हणजे 2, that is the scalar, and R2 that is the second row. Okay, that means here multiply these second row by the scalar k is equals to 2. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये प्रत्येक एलिमेंट्सला 2 ने काय होणार आहे, मल्टिप्लाय कशाच्या, a च्या सेकंड रोच्या. Therefore A is equals to the matrix 1 2 3 7 4 1 is R1 and R3 right as it is. कारण ऑपरेशन आपण कशावर ऑपरेट करतोय, फक्त सेकंड रो त्याला 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो, म्हणजे त्याच्यातल्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंट्सला आपण 2 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहोत. Therefore see here 2 into -1, that is the -2. Next thing, that is the 2 into R2 is 4 into 2, that is the 8, and R2 is equals to here 5 into 2, that is the 10. Therefore the new matrix becomes, that is the A equivalence to 1 2 3 -2 8 10 7 4 1. सेम पद्धतीने आपण कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन मध्ये घेऊ शकतो. ओके, दॅट इज द मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ एनी रो और एनी कॉलम by a non-zero scalar. Okay, and third is the third operation, that is adding the scalar multiples of all the elements of any row to the corresponding of any other row. आता इथे आपण सेकंड ऑपरेशन मध्ये काय घेतलंय की स्केलर मल्टिपल मध्ये आपण काय केलंय, तो R2 परफॉर्म 2 टाइम्स R2 घेतलाय. आता कुठल्या तरी रोला किंवा कुठल्या तरी कॉलमला आपण कुठल्या तरी स्केलरने काय केलंय, मल्टिप्लाय केलंय. आता तो कुठल्या तरी रो मध्ये मी काय करतोय, ऍड करतोय. समजा मी इथे घेतलेलं आहे A is equals to the matrix, A is equals to the matrix 1 2 3 4 5 6 0 1 2. Okay, therefore this is the matrix A. मग काय सांगितलं त्यांनी, ऍडिंग द स्केलर मल्टिपल्स ऑफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ A नी रो. समजा मी घेतला A नी रो म्हणजे घेतला मी R3, therefore R3 ला मी मल्टिप्लाय केले 3. ओके, therefore म्हणजे माझा मॅट्रिक्स काय तयार होणार आहे, here A is equals to and these add in the other row or other column, that is adding in R1. म्हणजे माझं ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होतंय R1 परफॉर्म R1 plus 3 times R. ओके, म्हणजे चेंज कशात होणार आहे, इज इन R1 मध्ये. इथे मी 3 times R3 घेतला तर इथे 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय नाही करायचं, त्याचा डिस्प्ले आपण बाजूला लिहून घेणार आहोत मॅट्रिक्सचा. ओके, मग फक्त चेंज कशात होणार आहे, जो आपण पहिला लिहितो त्याच्यामध्ये. म्हणजेच काय, adding the scalar multiples of all the elements of any row, that is adding the scalar multiple of the all the elements of any row, that is the R3, and to the corresponding any other row, to the corresponding any other row, that means the R1. म्हणजे ते ऑपरेशन काय परफॉर्म होते माझं, की R1 plus 3 times R3. ओके, मग चेंज कशात असणार आहे, इज इन R1 मध्ये असणार आहे. ओके, मग आता मी A is equals to the matrix चेंज कशात आहे, इज इन R1 मध्ये. ओके, ऑपरेशन घेताना लक्ष द्यायचे. आणि म्हणून सेकंड रो आणि थर्ड रो आपण ऍज इट इज देणार, त्याच्यात चेंज नाही होणार. ते 3 टाइम्स R3 जरी दिसत असला तरी तो कशात जाणार आहे, इज इन R1 मध्ये. ओके, मग मी सेकंड रो लिहितोय 4 5 6 and 0 1 2 ऍज इट इज लिहितोय. आता त्याचा डिस्प्ले लिहितोय इकडे या साईडला 1 मधले जे एलिमेंट्स असतील 1 2 आणि कोणते दिले 3. ओके, that is the elements of in R1, therefore plus, right here plus 3 times and the corresponding elements in right here R3 मध्ये काय करणार आपण, त्याचे corresponding elements घेणार. आता इथे R1 घेतला आपण 1, त्याचा corresponding elements in R3 काय 0. ओके, therefore which is equals to 1 plus 3 into 0, 3 into 0 is 0, 0 plus 1, that is the 1. Okay, next is 2 plus R1 is 2 plus 3 times R3, that is the 1. Therefore 2 plus 3 into 1, 3 into 1, that is the 3, 3 plus 2, that is the 5. Okay, right here 5. And the last is 3 plus R1 is 3 plus 3 times R3, that is the 2, 3 into 2, that is the 6, 6 plus this R1 is 3, that is the 9. Therefore write down here 9. Therefore this matrix is A is equivalent to 1 5 9 4 5 6 and C1 1 0 1 2 here. Okay, that is the operation is R1 plus 3 times R3. सेम पद्धतीने आपण इन कॉलम ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन मध्ये जर घ्यायचं असेल, सपोज द ऑपरेशन इज C2 perform C3 plus C2 plus 3 times C, 3 times C. हे पण आपल्याला कसं शकतं ऑपरेशन. कॉलम मध्ये असेल तर आपण C ने रिप्रेझेंट करणार आहोत आणि रो ने जर असेल तर आपण कॅपिटल R ने रिप्रेझेंट करणार. That is the operation on column elementary transformation and this represents the row elementary transformation. मग आपण एकूण 6 ऑपरेशन्स यामध्ये बघितले, रो कॉलम आणि रो आणि कॉलम. ओके, आता हे तुम्हाला समजलं असेल असं मी गृहीत धरतो आणि याच्यामधला जो पहिला एक्सरसाइज आहे तो आपण काय करूया, सॉल्व्ह करू. ओके, देयरफॉर एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट. Exercise. Apply the given elementary transformation. Apply the given elementary transformation. Elementary transformation on each of the following matrices, on each of the following First example, that is the A is equals to the matrix 1 0 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 3, and here the operation is R1 interchange in R. Okay. Apply the given elementary transformation on each of the following matrices. Elementary transformation apply करायचं आहे. Therefore solution is, let the matrix A is equals to 1 0 minus 1 3. R1 contains, first row contains the elements 1 0 and R2 contains the elements is minus 1 and 3 here. Therefore we apply the operation matrix A, that is the R1 interchange R2, obviously R2 converting to the R1. Okay, therefore A is equivalence to, replace here R1 by R2, R2 by R1. Therefore minus 1 3, that is the R2, right? It is in R1. Okay, and R1 कशात replace होणार आहे? R2 कशात replace होणार आहे? R1 मध्ये. That is the second row. Therefore A equivalence is minus 1 3 1 0. Next, that is the second example. A is equals to the matrix 1 minus 1 3 2 5 2 5 4, and here apply the operation R1 perform R1 minus R1 minus. Okay, therefore here solution is, let the matrix A is equals to 1 minus 1 3 2 5 4, that is order of this matrix is 2 by 3, 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, therefore the operation is R1 perform R1 minus R2. कशात ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म होता है? इज इन R1, that is the first row. Okay, मग काय चेंज होते त्याच्यात? Right, it is an R1 minus R2. Therefore A equivalence to the matrix. Okay, मग change in R1 आहे, not it is in R2. Okay, therefore firstly I can write here elements of the R2. ते पहिल्यांदा लिहून घ्यायचे, ज्याच्यात चेंज नाही. 2 5 4. मग ऑपरेशन काय आपलं? R1 minus R2, that is the R1. Okay, मग R1 चे जे elements ते मी आधी लिहून घेतो. 1 minus 1 3, that is the R1. minus sign right here, minus R2 A, त्याचे corresponding elements द्यायचे. 1 चा corresponding element R2 मध्ये काय आहे? 2. next is 5 and last one is 4. therefore 1 minus 2, that is the minus, right here minus. next is minus 1 minus 5 equals to minus 6. therefore right here minus 6. and last thing, that is the 3 minus 4, it is equals to minus 1. therefore it is equals to minus 1. Okay, therefore this becomes a new matrix. A equivalents to minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 2 5 and 4. Okay, next example number 3. Example number 3 here. Example number 3. A is equals to the matrix 5 4 1 3. C1 interchange C2 and B is equals to the matrix 3 1 4 5, and here R1 interchange B2 R. What do you observe? What do you observe? What do you observe? See here. That is the third question. A is equals to the matrix 5 4 1 3 and apply the elementary transformation, that is the on that matrix A is C1 interchange C2. Secondly, matrix B is 3 1 4 5 and apply here the operation operation, that is the R1 interchange, R2 that is the column transformation in A, and operates the B, that is the row transformation. And next question, that is the what do you observe, की आपल्याला काय दिसते दोन्ही मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये आपल्याला काय करायचं. therefore A is solution A is equals to the matrix. A is equals to the matrix 5 4 1 3. ऑपरेशन काय घेतले बघा, C1 interchange C2 and C2 obviously converted to the C1. therefore A equivalence to matrix. This 5 1 that is the C1, 4 3 that is the C2. therefore interchange दोघांमध्ये. therefore first matrix replace first column replaced by second, obviously second replaced by 1. therefore the new matrix becomes 4 5 3 1. okay, similarly here B is equals to the matrix B is also B is equals to the matrix 3 1 4 5. okay, therefore operation काय सांगायचे, R1 interchange into R2. okay, therefore B equivalence to the matrix. change the interchange the row. therefore R1 is replaced by R2 is replaced by R1, that is the first in the new matrix. first row becomes 4 5 and second row becomes here 3 1. okay, therefore what do you observe, A equivalence to 4 5 3 1 and B equivalence to 4 5 3 1. okay, therefore suppose that this is the equation 1 and B is the equation 2. therefore from equation 1 and 2 we get काय सांगते, we observe that काय करते आपल्याला याच्यात, A equal to the matrix B. both matrices are equal because order is same and corresponding positions of the elements is also same, equal. okay, therefore A is equals to the B. okay, then example number 4 is example number example number 4. Find the addition of example number 4. Find the addition of the two new matrices. Okay, therefore A is equals to the matrix 1 2 minus 1 0 1 3 2 times C, and B is equals to the matrix 1 0 2 2 4 1. okay, here minus 3 times. Find the addition of these two new. therefore solution is here. okay, therefore solution is A is equals to the matrix 1 2 minus 1 0 1 3, that is the second row, operates operation here 2 times C2, and B is equals to the matrix 1 0 2 2 4 5, operates operation here minus 3 times into R1, that is the scalar multiplication. सेकंड आपण जे ऑपरेशन घेतलेलं आहे त्यावरचं हे एक्झाम्पल आहे. आणि काय सांगितलं त्यांनी, फाइंड द ऍडिशन ऑफ टू न्यू मायट्रासेस. जे न्यू मॅट्रिक्स येणार आहे, मायट्रासेस येणार आहे, त्यांची काय घ्यायची आपल्याला ऍडिशन. ओके, देयरफॉर सोल्यूशन A is equals to matrix. Then A is equals to the matrix 1 2 minus 1 0 1 3, that is the same. ओके, देयरफॉर मग आता चेंज कशात असणार आहे, 2 टाइम्स C2 म्हटले, दॅट मीन्स elements in C2, that is the 2 1, multiply by the scalar, that is the 2. Therefore, the operation is 2 times C2. Therefore, 8 is equals to first column, that is the 1 0. C2 च्या प्रत्येक एलिमेंटला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहे? 2 ने. सांगा 2 into 2, that is the 4. 2 into 1, that is the 2. Minus 1 and 3, right? As it is only operates here, multiply to only the C2. Okay, therefore first column and last column as it is. Okay, therefore the new matrix becomes here A equivalents to 1 4 minus 1 0 2 3. Okay, next that is the also B is equals to 1 0 2 2 4 5. Okay, therefore operation काय ते minus 3 times R1. Okay, therefore B equivalents to, okay, R1 contains the elements 1 0 2, R2 contains 2 4 5, but multiply by here R1 by the scalar on minus 3. Okay, therefore R1 मध्ये प्रत्येक एलिमेंट्स ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार आपण? minus 3. That means here these are 2, right, as it is, that is the 2 4 and 5. Okay, therefore elements R1 is 1 into minus 3, that is the minus 3. R1 is here 0 into minus 3, that is the 0. And R1 is 2 here, 2 into minus 3, that is the minus 6. Therefore the new matrix becomes here minus 3 0 minus 6 2 4 5. That is, these are the two new matrices, A equivalent and B equivalent. Find its addition. Okay, therefore A plus B. Therefore addition of new matrices. That is, new matrix is 1 4 minus 1 0 2 3, and second new matrix is minus 3 0 minus 6, next is 2 4 5. Okay, therefore take its addition. Okay, आपल्याला addition आहे दोन मॅट्रिक्स ची, दोन्ही मॅट्रिक्स मधल्या करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स ची आपण काय करतो? addition. 1 minus 3, that is the minus 2. 4 plus 0, that is the 4. Minus 1 minus 6, that is the minus 7. 0 plus 2, that is the 2. 2 plus 4, that is the 6. And last is 3 plus 5, that is the addition of the two new matrices. Okay, that is the answer. Next is use suitable transformation. Use next example. Example number 7. Example number 7. Use suitable transformation. On 1 2 3 4 to convert into an upper triangular matrix. 2 into an upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix. Okay. See here, using suitable transformation on this matrix. Matrix is 1 2 3 4. This matrix is converted into an upper triangular matrix. What is meant by upper triangular matrix? Upper triangular matrix, that means below the diagonal elements are 0. Okay, therefore this is the diagonal elements of the square matrix 1 and 4. Okay, Therefore, below the diagonal means that means these three reduce to 0. 3 जर 0 मध्ये कन्वर्ट झाला तर तो कशामध्ये कन्वर्ट होणार आहे? अपर ट्रायंग्युलर मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, मग आता आपल्याला त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला सुटेबल ऑपरेशन काय करायचंय? परफॉर्म करायचं की जेणेकरून हा 3 काय होणार आहे? 0. ओके, देअरफॉर अपर ट्रायंग्युलर मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं म्हणजे बिलो द डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स आर 0. सोल्युशन इज लेट A is equals to the matrix 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, therefore using suitable transformation 3 0 करणार आहोत. ओके, 3 lies in second row that means R2 म्हणजे कशात चेंज होणार आहे? R2 मध्ये चेंज होणार आहे. ऑपरेशन कुठे परफॉर्म होणार आहे? इज ऑन R2. therefore R2 perform R2 is equals to 3. तो 0 करायचा आहे. मग हा पॉझिटिव्ह 3 0 कशाने होणार आहे? जर आपण मायनस 3 त्याच्यात ऍड केलं मग सपोज कन्सिडर हियर R2 is equals to 3 minus 3. मग एवढंच लिहिणार का नाही? आपल्याला काय करायचं? थर्ड ऑपरेशन आपण जे शिकलेलं आहे ते यूज करायचं. ओके, मग -3 ला या 1 ने काय करतो? मी मल्टिप्लाय म्हणजे काय होणार आहे बघा? R2 is 3 minus 3 times R1 is 1. -3 into 1 that is the -3 and this plus 3 becomes काय होणार आहे सांगा? 0. ओके, मग आता आपण ऑपरेशन ऑपरेट्स करूया या ठिकाणी. therefore A is equals to the matrix काय असणार सांगा? मी इथे बाजूला आपण डिस्प्ले करू. चेंज कशात आहे? इज इन R2 मध्ये. R1 चा काही संबंध आहे का नाही? R1 राईट as it is 1 and 2 here. ओके, मग बाजूला लिहून घेतोय. R2 is 3 R2 minus 3 times R1. Okay, R2 is 3 minus 3 into R1 is 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. Right here 0. Okay, next is R2 is 4. Corresponding elements वर सुद्धा ऑपरेशन काय होणार आहे? आपल्याला ऑपरेशन घ्यायचे. ओके, therefore R2 is 4 minus 3 times R1 त्याचा corresponding R1 बघायचा that is the 2. therefore which is equals to 4 minus 3 into 2 that is the -6 is equals to -3. okay, therefore 4 minus 6 that is the minus. therefore this is the new matrix after the using the suitable row transformation. This is an upper triangular matrix. Below the diagonal elements is 0. Okay, that is the 7th example number 7 in your book. Example number 5 6. Example number 5 6 and 8. Solve at the home. Okay, homework ला ते काय करायचे? Solve. Okay, exercise first complete. Okay, thank you.